Hello everyone, welcome to Jayban Computers. Our today's topic is about the one-man army which fights against all the intruders from entering into our computer. Yes, I'm talking about the antivirus software. Have you ever felt that your computer has become slow, crashes often, pop-ups appear, hard drive malfunctions, runs out of storage space, frequent error messages appear on screen, advertisements appear when you aren't browsing, or has a slow startup? Then your computer would most probably have a malware like virus, Trojan horse, worm, spyware, or adware. A computer virus is a malicious code or program which alters the way a computer operates. It attaches itself to program or document that helps in its execution. To safeguard our computer, we have to use antivirus software which scans a file, program, or an application and compares a specific set of code from its database. If it finds an identical code to a known malware, then that code is quarantined or removed. Hope the information was useful to you. Stay updated with our technology related videos. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified when we upload a new video, subscribe our channel. If it was beneficial to you, do share it with others. Thank you.